Looking to keep your pool sparkling clean with minimal effort? In this video, we're diving into the best robot pool cleaners of 2025. I'll break down the top features, pros, and cons to help you choose the right fit for your pool. All the product links are right in the description for easy access. The aquasense Beatbot Pro stands out with its unique, cutting-edge design and advanced technology. It combines efficiency with aesthetics, bringing a sleek solution for pool maintenance. This cleaner isn't just about looks. It offers multi-directional water jets and smart sensor technology to tackle dirt even in hard-to-reach areas, making it ideal for a variety of pool shapes and surfaces. The aquasense Beatbot Pro offers a suite of advanced features that elevate pool cleaning to a new level of convenience. Its adaptive cleaning modes adjust automatically based on the pool size and debris level, ensuring efficient coverage without manual intervention. A standout feature is its fast charging capability, eliminating the hassle of power cords and ensuring the device is always ready for use. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to handle, store, and deploy whenever needed. For added convenience, the cleaner offers app-based control, allowing users to set schedules and monitor progress remotely. It also features powerful suction and high-precision brushes, which are great for lifting dirt, leaves, and even smaller debris like sand from both the pool floor and walls. While it performs well for routine maintenance, it may struggle with heavy algae buildup or larger debris compared to higher-end models. Additionally, the downside is the long charging time, which may not suit users who need to clean the pool frequently or quickly between sessions. The Hyper Seagull SE takes the crown as the best budget pool cleaner because it combines affordability with powerful performance. If you've been looking for an easy way to keep your pool spotless without spending a fortune, this cleaner delivers exceptional value. This cordless cleaner is designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools, making it versatile for homeowners with different setups. It runs for up to 90 minutes on a single charge, powered by dual-drive motors that provide excellent suction. Whether it's fallen leaves, dirt, or smaller particles, the Seagull SE effectively picks them up, ensuring your pool water stays fresh and clear. It also features self-parking technology, meaning once the battery runs low, it automatically parks near the pool wall for easy retrieval, no more fishing it out awkwardly. Another great feature is its easy-to-clean filter tray. Just pop it out, rinse, and it's ready for the next run. Moreover, it is simple to use. Just drop it in, and it does the rest. The Seagull is built to offer reliable performance with minimal effort. However, the limited runtime of 90 minutes may require frequent recharges for larger pools. Additionally, it is not as powerful in removing algae or deeply embedded debris compared to more premium models. The Beatbot S2 Pro is recognized as the best cordless pool cleaner for large pools, offering a combination of advanced technology and user-friendly features. Although it has only 90-minute runtime, but it has features like stronger suction, better debris handling, and coverage optimized for larger areas, it can efficiently clean pools up to 3,500 square feet on a single charge, making it perfect for expansive areas. The Beatbot S2 Pro has a unique feature that sets it apart. It can autonomously return to its charging dock when the battery is low. This self-docking capability ensures hands-free operation. This feature is uncommon among pool cleaners, as many other models require manual retrieval for charging. One standout feature is its app connectivity, which lets you control the cleaner via your smartphone. You can schedule cleanings, adjust settings, and monitor cleaning progress right from your device. The S2 Pro is designed for hassle-free maintenance with easy-to-access filters and debris compartments, making it simple to keep it running at peak performance. The Beatbot S2 Pro is designed to tackle various pool surfaces and structures, including stairs, walls, and irregular floor shapes. It is equipped with powerful suction and advanced climbing technology, allowing it to scale vertical surfaces and clean pool walls efficiently. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. While the battery life is suitable for most large pools, it may require additional charging time for very expansive areas. Additionally, some users have found the initial setup process slightly complex, especially if they're not technologically inclined. The Dolphin Explorer E50 earns its title as the best for in-ground pools with its high-end capabilities designed to tackle even the most demanding pool maintenance tasks. Tailored for large, deep in-ground pools, it delivers a powerful clean while keeping things easy for the user. This cleaner's dual active scrubbing brushes break down stubborn algae and grime, ensuring every inch of your pool is spotless. One of its standout features is the multi-layer filtration system. It captures everything from the finest dust particles to larger leaves and debris, so you can skip manual cleaning even during the heaviest usage seasons. The Clever Clean navigation technology utilizes smart algorithms to chart the most efficient path through your pool, minimizing cleaning time while covering every corner, including walls, floors, and the water line. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can manage cleaning cycles and schedules from your phone. This is especially useful if you want to ensure your pool is ready for use without needing to monitor the process manually. However, on the downside, it is heavier than some competitors, which could make handling a bit challenging. And it requires an initial investment. It is a bit expensive, though its performance and durability justify the price. The Hyper Scuba S1 takes the spotlight as the best overall robotic pool cleaner because it combines smart features, versatility, and powerful cleaning at a competitive price. Its blend of ease of use, efficient navigation, and multiple cleaning modes makes it ideal for pool owners seeking a low-maintenance solution without compromising on performance. The Scuba S1 offers 4 cleaning modes: Auto, Eco, Floor-only, and Wall-only, which allows users to target specific cleaning needs. Auto mode provides full coverage by cleaning the floors, walls, and waterline, while Eco mode ensures automatic cleanups every 48 hours, great for busy users. It also has WavePath Navigation 2.0, which minimizes overlap and ensures efficient coverage, saving time and battery life. Compact and easy to lift out of the water, it has a sleek build with caterpillar treads that enable smooth movement over uneven surfaces, such as steps and drains. However, on the downsides, the 90-minute battery may not suffice for larger pools, over 1,600 square feet, making it necessary to recharge before completing a full clean. Furthermore, due to its size, it might pose challenges for those with limited storage space in their pool houses. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Check the description for links to the best deals. Happy shopping!